Indian culture boasts a rich and ancient heritage, with roots stretching back to the Indus Valley civilization over 4,000 years ago. This early society laid the groundwork for complex urban planning, trade, and social organization. As centuries passed, profound philosophical traditions such as Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism emerged, offering diverse perspectives on existence, ethics, and the nature of reality. These spiritual frameworks have deeply influenced not only the daily lives of millions in India, but have also left a lasting mark on global philosophy and culture. The enduring legacy of these ancient ideas continues to inspire and guide people around the world. India is renowned for its extraordinary linguistic diversity, with hundreds of languages and dialects spoken across its vast landscape. Each region boasts a rich literary tradition, where language serves as both a vessel for storytelling and a marker of cultural identity. Folk tales, poetry, and epics passed down through generations reflect local values and histories, fostering a sense of pride within communities. This intricate tapestry of languages not only enriches India's cultural heritage but also strengthens the bonds between its people, weaving regional distinctiveness into the broader national fabric. Through literature and storytelling, the connection between language and identity remains a vital force in shaping India's collective spirit. Religion holds a central place in Indian society, shaping daily life and cultural traditions. Despite the country's vast diversity of faiths, communities often coexist peacefully, respecting each other's beliefs and practices. Sacred spaces such as temples, mosques, churches, and gurudwaras serve as important centers for spiritual and social gatherings. Festivals from various religions are celebrated with enthusiasm across the nation, bringing people together and promoting a sense of unity. These shared celebrations play a vital role in fostering social harmony and mutual understanding among India's diverse population. India's cultural landscape is alive with a dazzling array of festivals, music, dance, and artistic traditions. Each celebration, from Diwali's radiant lights to Holi's colorful exuberance, draws deeply from ancient mythology and spiritual devotion. Traditional music and dance forms such as Bharatanatyam and Kathak weave stories that have been passed down for generations, connecting communities through shared rhythms and movements. Artistic expressions, whether in intricate rangolite designs or vibrant folk art, serve as both a reflection of regional identity and a means of bringing people together. These collective experiences foster a profound sense of belonging and joy, enriching the fabric of Indian society. India's rich cultural tapestry is vividly expressed through its diverse clothing, crafts, and cuisine. Traditional garments vary widely across regions, showcasing intricate designs and vibrant colors that reflect local identities. Skilled artisans create everything from delicate textiles to ornate jewelry, preserving age old techniques passed down through generations. Indian cuisine, renowned for its bold flavors and aromatic spices, is often shared in a spirit of warmth and hospitality. Together, these elements highlight how aesthetics, craftsmanship, and generosity are woven into the very fabric of daily life and heritage in India. Family holds a central place in Indian culture, serving as the foundation for social structure and personal identity. Societal values such as respect for elders, community cohesion, and collective responsibility are deeply ingrained, shaping everyday interactions and life choices. Even as India experiences rapid modernization and technological advancement, traditional customs and rituals continue to guide behavior and decision making. Adaptability has become essential, enabling individuals and families to balance the demands of contemporary life while honoring age old traditions. This dynamic interplay between tradition and change underscores the resilience and continuity of Indian cultural identity. Modern India stands as a vibrant testament to the enduring strength of its diverse heritage. The nation's pluralistic society brings together countless languages, religions, and traditions, fostering a unique sense of unity amid diversity. Through centuries of change and challenge, India has demonstrated remarkable resilience, adapting to new realities while preserving the essence of its ancient culture. Today, the country continues to harmonize innovation with tradition, ensuring that progress is always informed by the wisdom of its past. This delicate balance shapes India's identity, making it a dynamic and inspiring presence on the world stage.